Having issues on a computer or server when trying to browse the internet or reach an internal network device? Well, this is Tech Simplicity, and you're watching DNS Flushing Explained. What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can flush your DNS Resolver Cache. Clearing your computer's DNS Resolver Cache can help with a multitude of things, but primarily, this command can help resolve security, internet connectivity, and other issues, including if you want to help keep your browsing history away from prying eyes who may have physical access to the computer that you use. That said, let's jump right into it. To begin, you must open the command prompt. Once there, type in the command ipconfig //flushdns with no space in between the word flush and DNS. Then simply click enter on your keyboard. This will then flush the DNS Resolver Cache on your computer, and you now have successfully completed the task. If you were troubleshooting an issue prior to running this command, relaunch a web browser and test again. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for future content, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.